How to make keyboard size bigger on your Android phone. Now in order to do that, just simply open your setting application and after that scroll down to all the way to bottom, and after that you will get this option of general management. Tap to general management, and after tapping into general management you will get the keyboard setting. Now just simply tap to this Samsung keyboard settings, and after tapping in there scroll down a little bit until you find this option of size and transparency. Tap into size and transparency, and after that you will get your keyboard size and transparency. You can now increase and decrease your keyboard size by adjusting this blue box. Just simply adjust the blue box as according to the size that you need in your keyboard. And after you are done, just simply tap to done button and your new keyboard size will be set. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.